Major update with Blake and Justin's big old saga because they were actually in court yesterday for the first time in federal court. Now, Justin or Blake were not there, but the attorneys were arguing in front of Judge Lewis Lyman about Blake wanting a gag order on Justin's side because their attorney is continually going to the media and saying statements that they believe are unethical and borderline like super inappropriate. So they made these arguments today in front of the court. The judge heard both sides of it, and you could tell the judge was just absolutely annoyed. The judge specifically threatened to move up the trial date set for March 2026 if the case continued to be litigated in the press. He also ordered both sides to adhere to the New York rules of professional conduct, which stop lawyers from making public comments that have a substantial likelihood of tainting a jury. But he stopped short of ordering an actual gag order and or sanctioning Justin's side. So based off of that, there is no specific order saying you have to stop talking to the press, but he did obviously in open court say, this is what I expect both of you to do. And if you don't do it, I'm going to move this court date up as quickly as possible to basically just let you guys hash this out in court. One thing we know is Justin's camp is asking to depose Blake Lively, which Blake Lively's camp is like saying, nope, I'm not going to allow that to happen. Justin's team just published a website basically putting everything out there to basically try to show that he's right and Blake's wrong. So it is just a flurry of activity. And it's interesting that the court didn't just like smack down and say, this is how this is going to go. What do you think?